Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a clicker game that I like to call Zombie Apocalypse. So I've already prepared for this one, so I'm going to go upload sprite. And I'm going to use this one here. Now it has this creepy dude. Now I'm going to make him a bit smaller, like size 20. Yep, that should be good enough. And if you're wondering what the score is, it's with dead zombies, because you're going to be killing the dead zombies. But for this guy, I don't know why it's called this. I'm gonna go all the way over here and only have it called zombie. So I'm going to have when flag is clicked. It's basically the same movement that I use for mostly all of my games. I'm gonna go boom, boom, when touching edge. Go to here. Glide to here. So now it'll I accidentally put in a glide random position. So I'm going to do this. So now it should work as planned. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to have it when it is clicked. I'm going to go costumes. Control C on the zombie. And Control V. Now I need to go up here and make it dead. And put it at the bottom of the screen. Just like that. Okay. So when he is clicked, he'll go next costume with a weight. Now I'm going to go variables. If you click make a variable, you can make a variable. I made it dead zombies, but I'm keeping it as a large readout. So when flag clicked, it will set dead zombies to 0. And when you click it, it will change dead zombies by 1. So now if you do this, it's hard to click him, he's really fast. I'm going to make him go a tiny bit slower. There we go, finally clicked him. Click. 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 Okay. So I've just finished doing that. And other than that, that's it for this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye. See ya.